watching Sidetrack Productions. My name is CJ, aka the Cigar Man, and we are watching episode 8 of the build of my 1962 Chevy pickup truck. So today, guys, we are going to get some exhaust put on the 1962 Chevy. I'm taking over here to Mufflers and More, my guys that always do my exhaust, especially in a quick pinch. And we're gonna put this exhaust on, see how she sounds. Of course, I already got it to start up and everything. But after that, we're gonna bring the truck back to the shop, and then we are going to try to do a test drive. And hopefully everything goes well. But you guys gotta watch and see what's next. So stick around. I'll get back with you guys probably about the midway to see how everything is going and see if you like this video or not. So let's get out of here. Let's get to the video. All right, well, you see I had to push in here. She almost made it. Really? Not even 25 feet? I know. I'm out there in the middle of the street pushing. Well, hey, nobody's perfect. So basically what happened there was my first test drive, it didn't go so well. And of course you guys know I'm a one-man operation. So if anything fails, I'm on my own. So I couldn't figure out that the truck was getting vapor locked. I didn't have a good enough flow of gasoline going into the motor. So as I was driving it out of my garage, and I was just only going to drive it from the garage to my second driveway, and in between my garage and a driveway, she cut out on me. Now, normally I could just let it sit, and actually that's what I did to get it back into the garage. I let it sit for about an hour, and then it started right back up, and I was able to drive it right back into the garage. But I was just test driving it. Like I said, I am a little ambitious at times. I get excited, and hey, this is my first build. You learn from your mistakes, and that's fine. So here I am pushing that vehicle in the middle of the street. I think I had 1 or 2 cars pass by me. You would think my neighbors would actually stop and help me, but they probably say that's what he gets for having that loud vehicle, that loud truck. So anyway, I'm glad you guys stuck along for the ride and stuff, and let's get back into this next video.